GEVO stock analysis next week, more so 13th of January and onward tomorrow. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I specifically want to, like I now mentioned here at the beginning of the video, that this looks so good and I want to take things up, you know, I want to long. Getting back to my drawings, this is exactly how they look like, and I'll explain the details. But I've done, again, this is my own opinion, it's all demo and simulated, it's not financial advice. I've done 34,000 videos, spent thousands of mentors, courses, documented everything, and it all began back here, you know, when it was at $1, but it just started blowing up without me like crazy. The only thing that I was left to do is the price, to double down on the price in a way that's going to follow my rules and my strat. One way to do this is if it starts breaking these highs, and that's Gucci. But if it comes lower and then gives me a double break here, that's also fine. That's also fine. As long as the rules are met, I'm chilling. So it's not financial advice. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. It's just a free newsletter. So see you in the next one.